Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up notifications in Basecamp. So guys, the first thing that you of course want to do is go to basecamp.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Basecamp. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Basecamp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Basecamp official website where we have our profile and where we can go and see our projects. So basically, we have the other things that we have is the home button where all of these things are. So here are your basically your projects. I created one, so this is my project here. It will stand there. You can make a new project if you want by clicking here, or you can invite new people by clicking here. Also, you have the schedule and your assignments here, but we'll talk about that later. Here we have the lineup where you have your lineup. So welcome to lineup. We have pings where you can see your private chat with. You can start a private chat with a person. You just need to type their name. You have some of your notifications here. The only notification that I have at the moment is welcome to Basecamp. And we have the activity where you can see your latest activity. So everything filtered by project, filtered by people. You have your stuff where you can see all your assignments, drafts, bookmarks, etc. And you have find where you have the search where you can search for anything, everything, anyone on anywhere, or you can go and see that you have some stuff there. Now guys, let's see how to adjust your notifications, including what type of notification you receive, how they arrive, and when to click your avatar in the upper right corner. So basically you just need to click on your avatar in the upper right corner, and here you can go and change your notification settings as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.